Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Kiara de Cass here from the All Things Health and Wealth Show. And today we are super excited and blessed to be here with you, our favorite community of the day, of the month, of the year, of our lives. Thank you very much for being here. Appreciate it. More than anything, we always have to stay positive in our mindsets, always have to keep strong up here, forget what's happening out around us. And what makes us stronger as a community is that we are strong up here. And when we think about what we're doing, when we're doing it and why we're doing it, we will know that we are doing it for a purpose and a reason. And that's going to give us, of course, that benevolently blessed energy that we actually require to thrive out here in this wonderful time and in this wonderful world. Things have changed absolutely dramatically and drastically so we are here to work with the times and go with the times. So I'm here, I'm sipping on my green mint tea. Very, very delicious. I'm feeling quite perked up. The mint keeps you kind of soothed on the stomach side of things, and then the green tea gives you a little bit of a boost, and the mint gives you a bit of a mental boost. So feel good, feel happy, feel strong, feel ready to take on this wonderful day, guys. So today's Sunday. Here in Johannesburg, it's pretty overcast outside today, with the sun trying to peek through. But guys, we are here today to talk about the crypto space and where we're at with what's going on in the market right now. So let's go and have a look. And before I get to that, I just want to show you something and remind you to go and have a look at one of my previous videos. Boom. If you please, go and have a look. Here's my channel. Okay, boom. Kiara de Cass. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. I've got 29 of you wonderful community followers. Thank you for all of those who follow me. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I just want to share with you. So this is the video where right at the end here, I actually said, well, even though Bitcoin's falling, we're seeing a massive, massive W pattern on the week. And I also spoke about it quite heavily in my last video. So please, if you haven't gone to go and see it, go and have a look at these two videos. They are absolutely awesome, and you're going to want to get in on some of that action. So let's go and have a look at the actual Bitcoin chart today. Okay, let's go first have a look. So here on the 4 hour, we've been rejected a number of times. We did a wick candle up here, and we closed back below the white line. So we've tested the white line now once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, and trying to on the 11th time. So we've tested this line a number of times, and if it keeps knocking, we all know that it's going to probably knock through, the likelihood. It seems to have found support on my upward channel and the support line, my white support line here, and it's found support on the ribbons, which is a very, very good thing. So as we all know, we bounced up here, and it almost looks like we've got a bit of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So on the 4 hour chart, so shoulder, head, and potentially a shoulder pattern forming here, which would be absolutely awesome to witness, because our target from here will be obviously quite high at this purple box, between the blue and the purple box. So we all know about that, but let's get a good look at this, what's going on in the immediate. So we broke down a bat, we failed here, we broke down, we found some support on the ribbon. We're trying to seek for support on the ribbon, and we're doing a bit of reversal candles. We're getting more bullish candles coming in. The volume is extremely low at the moment, so I wouldn't count on anything here. The trades and all of that are pretty much dead at this current point. But if we can break through this white line by tomorrow morning, we're probably going to see a bullish break up to at least the top of this purple box to the blue line. So that will mean we would break the 41k level, and then try and hopefully find some support on 41k. And if we can find some support on 41k over the course of this week, let me just give you a bit of mindset stimulation here. So I actually don't like to use the word weak for each week. I like to use the word strong because we are not weak. I don't believe you're weak. I don't believe I'm weak. These are just, this is etymology where words are broken down and each part of the word has a very specific meaning. And obviously with that being said, we need to know that the words we're saying are manifesting those exact things in our lives. So I'm not weak, you're not weak, we're strong. So I'm going to keep saying strong. So going forward, please know that I use very different words speaking about certain things, and we are going to have a look at the daytime frame now on Bitcoin. So a little bit of a reversal candle here underneath the moving average and underneath my white line, which is not looking so great. If we close this candle like this, to be very honest with you, that's not my favorite because those, as you can see, act as waterfall effect pretty much the next few days that follow. So we've got to just be very, very sharp and close-eyed here. And if we break this line here, this trend line here, we're probably going to come back down to the bottom of the box again. And if that happens, the likelihood of us coming back down to this purple box is quite high now. Because the resistance above head is so high up at this 41K level. But if we can break this 41K level and burst above and close above, find a candle above here on the daytime frame, guys, we are going to be for sure heading up way higher to our higher levels here at the 52, 53K level. Let's go and have a look at the strongly candle, because on the strong, we are still looking very, very healthy. If we can close the candle like this and a little bit higher, that would really give us huge bullish momentum from a candle perspective on the time frame, which means that there will be a bit of hopium for us to burst back up and hopefully then come and correlate to the top of the moving average and that purple box at 46K. So if we can do that and close a weekly candle, a strongly candle above that line, then we are pretty much looking fantastic for the next few days. So what I want to come just to share with you is on CoinGecko is the crypto market cap right now is currently sitting at 1.843 trillion, and we are down in the past 24 hours 0.7%, which is not too bad. BTC got a dominance of 40% and ETH nearly 18%. So those are pretty cool. Let's see what happened on the S&P on the daytime frame, because the S&P on the daytime frame literally created another bottom. So we had a huge buy here at my purple box level. And I did say to you guys that my bottom of my purple box, about 4,100, would be the point where we would probably see a huge buy collection because of the massive support over here on this level here. So which it did that, and it burst straight back through the white line here at the important 4,300 level, and we are now currently sitting under the moving average. So if I can show you, we could also well, so far this is looking a bit like a strange W, but it is forming a W pattern here. So if it does form that, we'll probably see a test of the new all-time high in a short couple of strongs. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's see how the strong actually closed on this time frame. Wow, that is a candle. Usually we'd like to see at least 1/3 of the candle in a volume type, like this candle here. So about 1/3 of the candle is in volume, but you can see that once there is normally huge bullish momentum and bullish return around that. So I just want to have a look at the crypto 20 on the 4 hour, because on the 4 hour we actually broke back above the moving average here. So that's very healthy. We found support on the moving average, and that was back up into the purple box. So we rejected this bottom purple box here at 14,300. We broke back up, straight right back up to 16,600. And then we tested the top of the purple box, found a bit of resistance because of the correlation of the downward momentum or the downward channel. And we'll seek that now. I'll show you that on the daily time frame. But that's very healthy for us because this is a huge W pattern if we manage to break out and come test this purple box again. And then the top of the purple box would then become the neckline for the W pattern. And then what we could do is, let's go ahead and have a look at the daytime frame so that makes it a little bit easier for us. But yeah, if that happens, then and we've got some really awesome potential for us to get back above this on the daily. So this is actually showing pretty healthy bullish momentum. So unless, because that's a reversal candle underneath the moving average, that candle right there, that's a reversal candle. So we don't really want to, we want to be a little bit cautious here. So if we break back below the purple box, we probably come test at least this level again, at the very least. But if we can break this purple box, it's going to break the descending channel. We're going to break up, we're going to come back, find some support on top of the purple box and the descending channel, and then we could find a huge momentum back up to the all-time highs here at the 29,000, 30,000 levels on the crypto 20 chart. So with that being said, guys, that was pretty fun for me, and thoroughly enjoyed sharing that wonderful news and energy with you. Please keep an eye out on my other videos. I'm probably going to do a really awesome video on one of my favorite. I have 3 favorite. So let's just have a look quickly at my 3 favorite cryptocurrencies. Altcoins, actually, 3 favorites. So let's have a look. So my first favorite is definitely Landshare. You please come watch my video here. This is a 10,000x potential crypto. My one other is Happy. I absolutely love Happy. Please come have a look at there. I'd appreciate that very, very much so. And then I'm going to do, of course, I've got SLP, I've got Sandbox, all kinds of things. But what I really want to share with you is another one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. I have spoken about it once before, but I'm going to speak about it again, and because there's been huge hype. It's been completely suppressed, so we might see an explosion of price action on this cryptocurrency. So I just want to share that with you guys. Huge momentum, huge bullish energy, huge bullish sentiment for the market right now. And yeah, let's go out and have yourself a wonderful Sunday. I hope you enjoy your time with your family and your energized friends and the crypto space. And if you haven't invested, please go and look at the links down below. I have shared a whole variety of different links that make it easy for South Africans and others abroad to invest. Use my link, you get 10% back on your account. I get 10% for sharing that with you, and you get cheaper trading. You get much cheaper trading fees. So please go and click one of the links below, deposit your money, and take action today on investing in yourself. Get yourself some Bitcoin, and I will be sharing other cryptos that I'm invested in. That's up to you. I don't share financial advice, but I'm invested in them because I see huge potential. There has been huge potential, and I'll do another video because I actually recalculated my finances from July last year to today, and actually quite a substantial amount of the cryptos that I invested in back then and I'm still hodling have increased quite substantially, if not doubled in their own value. So thumbs up to that, and much appreciation to all the crypto community and all of your beautiful space out there. Thank you all out there in the crypto community. Thoroughly enjoy this, and thank you for sharing all of your knowledge out there too. Blessings and abundance to you all, and have a wonderfully awesome